And then contact into the barriers they go. Norby gets a hit. It is, in fact, Banani's car that basically almost came through Ted Björk's windscreen. Brief fire, as he said. Comes to find you. Slow start for Ivan Muller, ahead of Esteban Guerrieri. Guerrieri out-dragged as well by Gabriele Tarquini. Tarquini coming by John Philippi, and look how much you can see, absolutely nothing. And then suddenly everything is stationary, and that was the hit. Erlasher.
Very big accident.
Yeah. It did look as though Ivan Muller was in second on the grid. Now, normally they'll try and select neutral in the gearbox. Oof, barrier's already ripped out there before he gets to the seat. Everything out, and this is what it looked like from the next closest seat in the house. This is real speed. Where are you going?